Hi there, my name is David, and today I'm going to tell you about my family's hobbies. First up, let's talk about my dad. He's a bit of a sports fanatic and loves to play basketball in his free time. He's also an avid runner and has completed several marathons over the years. When he's not playing sports, he enjoys reading biographies and historical nonfiction books. My mom, on the other hand, is more into creative hobbies. She's a talented painter and spends a lot of time in her art studio working on new pieces. She also loves to garden and has a beautiful flower bed in our backyard. In the evenings, you can usually find her watching her favorite British mystery shows. My younger brother is really into music. He plays the guitar and writes his own songs. He's also a big fan of attending concerts and festivals. When he's not playing music, he enjoys playing video games and watching sci-fi movies. As for me, I'm a bit of a bookworm. I love reading fiction novels and have a huge collection of books in my room. I'm also a big fan of hiking and camping, and I try to get out into nature as often as I can. I also enjoy practicing yoga and meditation, which helps me stay centered and focused. Finally, we have our family hobby, cooking. We love to try out new recipes and experiment with different cuisines. On Sundays, we usually spend the afternoon cooking a big meal together and then sit down to enjoy it as a family. So that's a little bit about my family's hobbies. We all have different interests, but we all share a love of learning and trying new things. Thanks for listening.